I am very happy to see you all here. Within a month, this is the second celebration we are celebrating. My warm welcome to all for this fest. Now I am invite all dignitaries up to the stage. Miss Jamuna Annappa, please come on the stage. BRP sir, Mohan sir, please come on the stage. CRP sir, Gajendra sir, please come on the stage. Urdu CRP, Shabrin madam, please come on the stage. Mr. Abdul Rahman sir, SDMC President, GUHP GS Areli, please come on the stage. Mr. Liaquat Ali, Al-Haram Store, Areli, please come on the stage. As usual, let us start our English fest with Qiraat. I would like to invite Zareen Naz and Seva to recite the Suratul Alaq. Zareen Naz.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. خلق الإنسان من علق. اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم. علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى. إن إلى ربك الرجعى. أرأيت الذي ينهى عبدا إذا صلى. أرأيت إن كان على الهدى أو أمر بالتقوى. أرأيت إن كذب وتولى. ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى. كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية. ناصية كاذبة خاطئة. فليدع ناديه. سندع الزبانية. كلا لا تطع واسجد واقترب. صدق الله العظيم. Allah, the eternally merciful, the especially merciful, recite in the name of your Lord who created man from a clinging substance. Recite, and your Lord is the most generous, who thought by the pen, taught man that which he knew not. No, but indeed man transgresses, because he sees himself self-sufficient. Indeed to your Lord is the return. Have you seen the one who forbids a servant when he prays? Have you seen if he is upon guidance or enjoys righteousness? Have you seen if he is denies and turns away? Does he not know that Allah sees? No, if he does not decide, we will surely drag him by the forelock, a lying, sinning forelock. Then let him call his associates. We will call the angels of hell. No, do not obey him from near to Allah. Thank you.
You may pray for an hour and still not pray. You may meet God for a moment and then be in touch with Him all day. Thank you, Zeba and Zareen. Now prayer from Alfia and Potty.
Praise Him, praise